With the explosion of digital technology, it has become easier than ever to make money online. From working remotely to earning passive income through affiliate marketing, there are so many ways you can use the internet for economic gain. Unfortunately, as with anything related to money and investment, scams are rampant in this new arena, with promises of quick and easy returns that just sound too good to be true. You need to be extra careful when considering an online investment opportunity or business venture. In this video, we will discuss how you can recognize potential online scams, what signs indicate they might not be legitimate, and how to guard against becoming a victim of fraud before investing your hard-earned resources into something that doesn't exist. So hit that like and subscribe button real quick and make sure you watch this video till the end. When it comes to avoiding online money scams, the best thing you can do is to be cautious and vigilant. Do some research before investing any of your money into any online scheme or program. If something sounds too good to be true, then it likely is. Don't be taken in by promises of easy money or outlandish returns on your investment. Make sure to read any fine print thoroughly. Look up reviews from other consumers if possible. It is also important to stay aware of common red flags when it comes to potential scams. For example, if an offer requires you to pay a fee upfront, or if the person selling the offer refuses to provide detailed information about their program, these should both be considered warning signs that the offer could be a scam. Additionally, stay away from offers that promise guaranteed success or require you to become a member of their program in order for you to make money. Be wary of anyone who claims that they can help you quickly get rich without having to do any work. More often than not, this is nothing more than a get-rich-quick scheme with no real potential for success. As always, it is best to practice never to share personal information like your banking details with anyone unless you're absolutely sure that they are legitimate and trustworthy sources. You can also protect yourself by taking advantage of security features available on the web, such as two-factor authentication for logging into accounts, and using strong passwords for all your accounts associated with finances or investments made online. Finally, always trust your gut feeling when it comes down to making decisions about whether an online make-money scam is legitimate or not. If something feels off, then the chances are high that there is something wrong with that particular offer or program, and it would be wise not to take part in it at all. It's not easy to spot an online money-making scam. Some scams are more obvious than others, but they all have one goal in common: to take your hard-earned money. To avoid being scammed, do your research before investing any money in a make-money online opportunity. Read reviews and talk to people who have tried the program or service to get their opinion. If something sounds off, then you need to be extra careful. Be aware of promises of easy money with little effort required on your part. These are usually red flags that you're about to be scammed. Also keep in mind that if you do come across a legitimate way to make money online, it will take time, effort, and dedication to succeed. There are no shortcuts when it comes to earning money the honest way. If you made it until the end of the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will be notified with each new interesting videos just like this one. Good luck with your finances and thank you for watching.